So you might be in a position where your iPhone applications are not installing. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, if you're trying to go through and install an application on your iPhone, but the application itself is just not going through and installing on your device, there can be lots and lots of different reasons why this is happening. So the very first thing I recommend doing is just making sure that within your Wi-Fi connection and your internet connection, that you don't have any issues there. Most of the time, if you are having some sort of Wi-Fi connection or internet connection issues, that is probably going to be why your apps are not installing. So just go through, make sure you're not having any issues there. Because like I said, if you are, that is basically going to be the main reason why you're not able to install any of those types of applications. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, another thing you're going to basically have to make sure is that within those apps, when you're installing them, you want to make sure you're not like tapping on the applications or trying to open them up. Because if you are, that can actually pause and stop the application from actually installing. So as the app is installing and downloading, just try not to click on it, try not to do anything like that, because if you do, well, that may end up causing some issues there as well. Now, if that still isn't having any issues or anything like that, the next thing you may want to try doing is making sure you have enough storage on your device. So go inside of your iPhone settings, just like this, click on General, go and click on something like, iPhone storage, which is right here, and just go ahead and make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. Because like I said, if you don't have enough storage on your device, that is basically going to be the other issue and the main problem that you're going to be having there too. So just make sure you don't have any problems there, because like I said, if you do have problems, that's basically going to be the way to fix it. If that's still not working, try going through and try reinstalling that application. So find that application that you're trying to install, whatever that application is, try reinstalling it, and you want to see if that ends up working. Most of the time, like I said, those are the main ways to go and fix it. If it's still not installing, it may be because the App Store is having issues or your iPhone is having some issues and you may have to wait for an update. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.